Doctor, coming back to the whole quantum of people who are suffering, I mean, these numbers are all over the internet. Around 1.8 billion people worldwide are diagnosed with hypertension. Now, this means that a lot of information needs to go out to people. So, there has to be a lot of awareness which is needed. So, what are the doctors and the medical system doing to make people aware of the silent killer and its effects?
You see, as far as these are non-communicable diseases, and as I told you, because of their absence or paucity of symptoms, it doesn't attract attention.
Right.
But of course, there is a general tendency by most governments and WHO and all other organizations like that, like cessation of smoking, because smoking is a vasoconstrictor, and that helps avoiding smoking, avoiding excessive salt intake, making people aware that these are the things which cause blood pressure.
Right.
If you tell them go and change your parents, they can't do that because because they are already born with the genes in their body.
Right.
So all that we can counsel them is, you look here, your parents have been hypertensive, so it's very likely that you're going to be hypertensive. So instead of a yearly checkup, you have a quarterly checkup. Once in 3 months, you go and get a blood pressure check. This is the kind of general advice that we get. And once they diagnose blood pressure, then I think it is very, very important that we treat blood pressure. Right. There is a problem with poor people. The compliance is poor. There are methods now by which we have reduced the cost of these medicines. Like for instance, the beta blockers are pretty cheap, and so are very many of the drugs. And non-usage of alcohol, if we can encourage people. These are about the things that we can do on an epidemiological study basis. But exactly how much the government is doing towards hypertension is very little, because it is not producing so much of problems.
Right.
They have other things to attend to. Government has to attend to communicable diseases more than non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are more in the hands of the individual.
Right.
They have to have the self-realization and treat themselves.